So when we talk about automation in an inbox, it has to do with you using filter. You need to be very good at using filter because filter is the automation engine of your inbox management. So now we have filters, but how do you use filters? So we have basic filters. So filters starts from different aspects. So you have filters. You could use name to search for filters. Like for instance, you could use name, let's say mails created from or mails from Belad Tech. So let's do something like this. Mails from, okay, let's do like this. This should be from, if you have a specific sender that a mail is coming from, you can create a filter for that mail to go to a specific label. So that is one of the basic filter. You could create filter based on a sender, and you could create filter based on the messages you sent out. For instance, if you have a work email or you send messages to your VA about work schedule, you could do something like that, like to I sent this mail to this person and this is where I want it to be. So filter works that way. You can do a filter based on where the message is coming from or based on the message you are sending out. Another one is subject. So what is in the subject? For instance, I could just say filter based on Belad Tech. Once you see Belad Tech in the subject, yes, so you can create a filter for that. So you could say Belad Tech Academy. Yes, so the subject has something like Belad Tech Academy, or it has a word called Belad Tech Academy. We could actually create filter based on words as well. Doesn't have, so if it doesn't have a specific word, you could do that as well. So you could do filter based on size as well if it's greater than a certain megabyte, and you could do filter based on days. You could say within a year. So let's use the past year, of course, within a year, and here we are. So you could do within a year as well. So within a year, and your search, you could make sure if you want it to have an attachment or a document related email, you could create something like that. So you could use it to search or you could use it to create filter. So I want to create filter right now. So I'm going to click on the create filter button. So what I'm looking for now is Belad Tech Academy, right? So I could either skip that very any email that has Belad Tech Academy in it, skip or archive it, could be worked on, could be used, or you could say mark as read, or you could star it, or you could add a label. So I want to apply a label for this. So I'm going to create a new label and I'm going to name it Belad Tech Academy. Yes, I'm going to say Belad Tech Academy. So let's do this. And there we are. So I'm going to leave Belad Tech Academy at Belad Tech Academy, and I'm going to create that label. So it's going to be any email that has Belad Tech Academy in it goes to this label. So you could actually forward anything that has Belad Tech Academy. You could choose to forward it to another email address. Let's say you have another email address you want to forward it into, you could forward it to that specific email address. So we could have like something like a Belad Tech Academy email address, and I'll choose to forward it to that address as well. So anything that has Belad Tech Academy, I could choose to delete it. I could choose to not spam it. I could choose to always mark it as important, and I could choose a category for it. I could say it should go into this any of the following categories. So you have all these. Also apply filters to matching conversation. So let's create this filter right now. The filter we are creating is we are creating a filter where everything from Belad Tech Academy goes into this label called Belad Tech Academy. So I'm going to create that filter right away. So I'm going to create that. I'm going to come to my inbox right here, and here you have everything Belad Tech Academy. So we could actually come to Belad Tech Academy and see what we have right now. So it should have been inbox. So let's see. Let's create that filter again. So I could say from Belad Tech Academy. Okay, let's say that has Belad Tech Academy. Yes, let's say it has Belad Tech Academy. These two. and let's create a filter for this. So we could create a filter for this. Okay, let me go back. So within 1 year, and the date is right here. So let's say within 1 year. So let's say, okay, so let's do it from May 2025. Yes, so May 2025 within 1 year, and let's search first. Let's see if there are such things. Yes, there are such things. So what do I do? I'm going to try to create a filter of it. So coming back here, I'm going to click on the filter, and within a year, so I'm going to create the filter right here. So filter searches contain label, date range, before or after, stars as yellow, are not recommended as they will never match incoming mail. Do you still wish to continue? Filter searches containing label in, is, date range, before, after. So let's say, let's continue this. Okay, so let's go to filter, and let's choose a label to send it to. So we want to send all the emails that has Belad Tech Academy to Belad Tech Academy. So let's create that filter right now. So we're going to create that filter right away. So once I come to Belad Tech Academy, I'm going to, as you could see right here. Okay, another thing we could do is new emails comes to here. Okay, so let me do this right now. So I'm going to use something like this, as the word Belad Tech Academy, as the word Belad Tech Academy. Then I will search for it. So once I'm done searching for it, I could now include them. So here we are, and we have all these right now. So what I want to do now is to create a filter for this. So I'm going to label this as Belad Tech Academy, of course. So it goes to Belad Tech Academy. So all this goes to Belad Tech Academy, and you could see them. The labels are being added right now. So you could just see what it is about. So you could see, because Belad Tech Academy has this. So let me just come back here. Let me come back to my inbox right now. Okay, so let me come back to my inbox. As you could see, the ones that I just sent to Belad Tech Academy are being labeled Belad Tech Academy. But because I've not given Belad Tech Academy a color, so let me give it a color so you could see what that it represents. So I'm going to come right here to give Belad Tech Academy like a purple color, and you'll see every of the email that has been labeled to Belad Tech Academy will show this color, this purple color. So that's how to go about creating filters and moving messages to labels. So our inbox is still well cluttered, but the whole strategy of you managing an inbox is for it to be decluttered. So that's how to create filters, and that's how to create labels and label colors. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.